10th. Today we are here to give a presentation on the topic classification of industries. The industrial classification is the basic framework to the establishment and serves as the economic analysis. This system allows us to arrange the economic magnitude of business type into discrete industrial classification. Now I would like to call Sukhmanjot Kaur and Samanpreet Kaur for the presentation.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Sukhman.
Myself Saman. Today we are here to present a presentation on topic classification of industries.
In our daily life, we observe many things like a car. Think of different parts of car like steering, wheels, windows, mirrors. All these parts are manufactured in different industries. That we classify these industries on different bases.
If we classify industries on the basis of raw material, there are two types of industries: agro-based and mineral-based industries.
Agro-based industries. These are industries which get their raw material from agriculture. For example, cotton industries, textile industries, jute industry, etc.
Mineral-based industries, the industries which get their raw material from the minerals. For example, iron, steel industries, etc.
According to their main role in society, there are two kinds of industries: basic industries and consumer industries. Basic industries are industries which supply their products to the bigger industry for manufacturing their products. For example, iron and steel industries, aluminium smelting, etc.
Consumer industries, these are industries that produce goods of direct use of consumer. For example, sugar, toothpaste, etc.
On the basis of capital investment, there are two types of industries: small scale industries and large scale industries. Small scale industries are industries which invest up to 1 crore in their manufacturing are small scale industries. For example, pen industries.
Large scale industries, the industries which invest more than 1 crore is known as large scale industries. For example, car industries.
On the basis of ownership, there are four kinds of industries: public sector industries, private sector industries, joint sector industries, and cooperative sector industries. Public sector industries are industries which are owned and operated by government. For example, BHEL, SAIL, etc.
Private sector industries, owned and operated by an individual or group of individuals. For example, Tisco, Dabur Industries, etc.
Joint sector industries, these are industries which are jointly run by public and private sector. For example, Oil India Limited.
Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the producers or supplier of raw material, workers, or both. For example, sugar industries in Maharashtra, coal industries in Kerala.
Based on bulk and weight of raw material, there are two types of industries: heavy industries and lightweight industries. Heavy industries such as iron and steel industries which use heavy material and produce heavy goods.
Light industries that use light raw material and produce light goods such as electric